Hi students, so today I will discuss the 8th chapter of our science book because the first semester is over now. Now we will go for the second semester course. So we have discussed up to chapter 7. Now we will go for the 8th chapter. So here are common sayings. You must have heard, someone must have been told you that be safe, stay safe. Okay, so here are another common sayings. Those are here, I will show you. It's better to be safe than sorry. Or look before you leap. A stitch in time saves 9. More haste, less speed. Okay, these are some common sayings. That means it's better to be safe than sorry. That means if you follow the rules of safety, you will have no reason to feel sorry. Okay. Then look before you leap. That means so you often do things without first thinking clearly. If you are hasty, you may suffer an injury. Then a stitch in time saves 9. So prompt action will save a lot of time later. So these are some common sayings. Another one is also there. More haste, less speed. The more you try to hurry, the more time you will lose. This is because you may make mistakes. Okay. So you have to be safe. You have to be protective. You have to be preventive. Okay, so you have to take prevention. You have to don't have to be in so hurry. You have to do the things very easily. You have to obey the safety rules at every places. So first one, we will go for the safety at home. What are the rules you have to obey? We live in a house because it keeps us safe. It keeps us safe from the rain, the heat, the wind. A house is only safe if you make it safe. अगर हम उसे safe बनाते हैं, वो safe है. Many accidents do take place in a house. Many accidents happen because of carelessness. So you have to be careful. There are many danger areas in the house, like the kitchen. The most common accident in kitchens are there may be burns or there may be cuts. Burns through the fire, cuts through the knife, or the sharp objects. Always keep well away from the stove when the food is being cooked. When the food is being cooked, when the stove is on, gas stove is on, you should little bit away from it. Okay, steam escaping from a boiling pan may cause bad burns. Oil can catch fire if it gets too hot also. Some food boil over when they get hot. If you smell gas, do not light a match. If you smell the leakage of gas, then please don't light a matchstick. Okay, gas can explode very heavy. And you don't play with the matches in the kitchen or anywhere else. You don't have to play with the fire. Do not play with the knives. They are very sharp and dangerous. And do not play with the cans that have been opened with a can opener. The edges are very sharp. They may also give you some cuts. And electrical sockets and machines in your home. Never put anything into an empty plug socket. An electric socket can kill you. If there is an empty plug socket, never put anything in your finger, your metal object, don't do anything. Never touch electrical machines when the power is on. When the power is on, you don't have to touch the electrical machines. First switch off the power, then touch it. If it is necessary, then never put switches on while standing on wet floor. If your hand is wet, if you are standing on wet floor, don't touch the switchboard. Okay, and never put liquids on or if you are not near electrical equipment. Okay. Then other danger areas in your house. The staircase you have in your house. That's also a danger area. Please kindly never run up and down the stairs. If you trip, you may fall a long way down. Instead of फिसल के गिर के नीचे भी आ सकते हो. Windows and doors. Always be careful when you are closing doors and windows because your finger may be crossed, may not be in the right way, and it will get crossed. Okay, but someone else might be your finger is right away. Your finger is away from the window. But some other's finger will be there, so you have to be careful while opening or closing a door. Then the bathroom. So you know that the bathroom is always bathroom always remains wet. So it is a slippery floor, and a slippery floor is very dangerous. So wipe with care. If you have a medicine cabinet in the bathroom, never touch the medicine in it. You may have poisoned yourself by eating medicines that are not meant for you. And never touch razor blades or razor hose. Then the floors. The floors, when we are in hurry, we may not look on the floor. If you leave things on the floor, someone might also do it. So if you are laying somewhere, if you are reading somewhere, if you are doing some stuff somewhere, so after finishing it, after moving from that place, you have to put the things in the right place. Okay, so if you keep the things on the floor, anyone might put the leg upon that, and she might fall. And then be careful at roads, on the road also. Many accidents happen on the road. There are so many news coming on the newspapers, coming on the TV. You get news that there are so many accidents happening on the road. Always walk on the footpath. There is a footpath beside to the road. Okay, road is meant for the vehicles and footpath is meant for the walkers. If there is not, walk close to the side of the road. अगर कहीं पे भी नहीं है तो रोड के एक साइड पे चलो, ना कि बीच में चलना है. And towards the traffic so that we can see it coming. And there is a zebra cross you can see in the traffic places. Okay, and when the red signal is on, when the vehicles are stopped, then you have to walk on the zebra crossing to cross the road. Okay, wait for the traffic signal. And when you are crossing the signal, first look at the right, then the left, then again the right, then cross the road. Okay, and for these, for any of the bad circumstances, there should be a first aid. What is a first aid? When an accident happens, someone is hurt, you should know that what to do. There are some simple first aid rules. First aid means before taking a person to a doctor, what can you do with that? What can you do to relieve the current illness? Okay, so you should send for an adult. कोई बड़े लोग को बुला, बड़े लोग तुम्हारे एज से जो भी बड़े हैं उन्हें बुलाना. बी काम एंड कीप द इंजर्ड पर्सन काम. अगर तुम ज्यादा अनकॉन्शियसनेस फील करोगे, उससे ज्यादा अनकॉन्शियसनेस फील कराओगे, तो वो ज्यादा अनकॉन्शियस हो जाएगा. ठीक है. इफ द इंजर्ड पर्सन इज ब्लीडिंग, ट्राई टू स्टॉप द ब्लीडिंग विद ए क्लीन कॉटन और ए क्लॉथ पैड. देन कीप फ्लाइज एंड डस्ट अवे फ्रॉम द बाउंड्री. एंड इफ यू थिंक बोन हैज बीन ब्रोकन, अगर तुम्हें लग रहा है ज्यादा जोर से गिर गए हो, किसी बोन के बल गिर गए हो, तो ऐसा करो कि वो जो इंजर्ड पर्सन है उससे कहीं मूव मत करो, जैसा है वैसे रहने दो. ठीक है, कंफर्टेबल रहने दो. मगर उसको जो बोन टूटा है, अगर तुम ज्यादा उसे निचोड़ोगे, ज्यादा उसे घुमाने की कोशिश करोगे, तो वो उसका बोन ज्यादा फ्रैक्चर हो सकता है. ठीक है. एंड मेक श्योर दैट इंजर्ड पर्सन हैज इनफ फ्रेश एयर टू ब्रीथ. अगर कोई इंजर्ड है उसे सांस लेने में कोई तकलीफ ना हो, वह भी तुम्हें देखना चाहिए. डू नॉट क्राउड राउंड, लूजन टाइट फिटिंग क्लोथ्स इफ एनी. अगर उसे कोई टाइट कपड़ा पहनना है, उसे लूज कर दो ताकि उसे हल्का महसूस हो. देन फेंटिंग. इफ ए पर्सन हैज फेंटेड, रेज हिज लेग्स लाइट सो दैट दे आर अबव द लेवल लाइक दिस. अगर किसी ने अपनी थोड़ा बेहोश हो गया है कोई, तो उनके पैर थोड़ा ऐसे ऊपर करके, so that the level of the heart, so that they are above the level of the heart, and this helps to increase the supply of blood to the brain. Okay. Then burns. अगर कहीं पे जल जाता है, minor burns can be soothed with clean, cool room temperature water, and severe burns should be only treated by doctor. अगर कोई ज्यादा जल गया है तो तुम्हें डॉक्टर के पास जाना चाहिए. Then bites. अगर कोई तुम्हें काट लेता है, कुत्ता हो या कोई इंसेक्ट हो, then to shoot insects apply antiseptic cream. Okay, अगर वो थोड़ा ज्यादा हो रहा है, ज्यादा दर्द हो रहा है, then you should go for a doctor. Okay, this was your chapter. Thank you.